Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about physics. So let's start the video. Why we need to discuss physics? Actually, a human has always been curious to know the how and why behind the working and function of things. Like he thinks about why the things pass towards the ground, how do our planets revolve around the sun, why the sun is so hot, and how and why the weather changes. He also thinks about why the day and night be possible. So physics is all about trying to answer questions like these. Now, what is physics? The word physics comes from the Latin word physica, which means the study of nature. How can we define the term physics? Physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, energy, and their mutual interaction. So this definition is based on three terms: matter, energy, and their mutual interaction. So here we will discuss these three terms one by one. The first one is matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. For example, a chair is a solid, and air is a gas, and a water is a liquid. A matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. And further, atom is made up of three tiny subatomic particles called electron, proton, and neutron. An atom consists of two parts. The first one is central part and the second one is outer part. Central part consists of a nucleus, and inside the nucleus there are proton and neutrons are present. And outside the nucleus there are electrons revolve around the nucleus. Everything in this universe is made up of matter, like a rocket, a camera, an earth, a water, a plant, a chair, a sun, a bicycle, even a human. So all things in this universe is made up of matter. Now the second term is energy. Scientists define energy as the ability to do work, like a pushing of a car or a pulling of a donkey. Basically, there are two types of energy. The first one is kinetic energy and the second one is potential energy. Every moving body possesses a kinetic energy, and every body with respect to its position possesses a potential energy. Now, mutual relationship between matter and energy. Energy can be converted into matter and matter can be converted into energy. For example, a burning of a wood. Here in this case, wood is a matter and it is partially converted into energy, like light and heat energy. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, E is equal to mc square. If the body moves with the speed of light, then can be completely converted into energy. So this is the introduction of physics. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.